In this video, let's learn how to add lock screen pattern to your A06 mobile. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here you can see lock screen type, click on it. In here you can click on this pattern option. In here you can draw a pattern to unlock your mobile. Now I draw like this pattern. Click on continue. After you want to redraw the pattern to confirm it. Now we successfully added pattern to our mobile lock screen. Let's check it now. You can see draw unlock pattern. Now we want to draw our pattern to unlock this mobile. In this method you can add pattern to your mobile lock screen.